Is your hair losing volume? Do you notice more strands on your comb than before? The truth is, hair fall isn't always about genetics or expensive shampoos. Often, it's the result of small, everyday mistakes we don't even realize we're making. Today, I'm sharing 5 common mistakes that could be making your hair thinner and how to fix them for stronger, shinier, and thicker hair. Mistake 1. Washing hair with hot water. Hot water strips away your scalp's natural oils, leaving it dry and weakening the roots. This makes your hair prone to breakage. Instead, rinse with lukewarm or cool water for an extra boost of shine. Finish your shower with 10 to 15 seconds of cool water. It seals the cuticle beautifully. Mistake 2. Skipping protein in your diet. Hair is made of keratin, a protein. Without enough of it, growth slows and strands lose strength. Add protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, chicken, lentils, nuts, and beans to your meals. Fun fact, just 1 boiled egg a day can noticeably improve hair growth in a month. Mistake 3. Wearing tight hairstyles every day can lead to traction alopecia, permanent thinning along the hairline. Give your hair a break with looser styles. Use soft scrunchies instead of thin elastic bands to avoid stress on the roots. Mistake 4. Overusing heat styling tools. Frequent blow drying, straightening, or curling damages the hair cuticle, leading to frizz, split ends, and breakage. Keep heat styling to once or twice a week. Always apply a heat protectant spray, and when possible, let your hair air dry naturally. Mistake 5. Not shielding hair from the sun. UV rays can damage hair proteins, dry out the scalp, and fade color. When outdoors for long periods, wear a hat, wrap a scarf, or use a UV protectant spray. A light coat of coconut oil can give mild natural protection. Take care of your hair, and it will reward you with strength and shine. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ayesha Home Remedies for more.